My name is Dulgahar. I am skilled in warehouse operation and procurement management. I am performing this video to avail your skill counseling career developing certificate. Type of warehouses. Private warehouses. Owned and operated exclusively for own organization. Public warehouses. This is a part of commons of services. Several warehouses belong to different companies work out of common. Government warehouses are owned and operated by government organization either for their own use or for other to rental basis. Cooperative warehouses are owned and operated by private individual joint hand to frame from an registered cooperative federation. Warehouse can be different in their functional methodology. Stock transfer warehouse do not have any customer attached and have no commercial transactions and simply operate an large storehouse for finished product to be transferred to other units and warehouses and has demanded. Export warehouses keep materials only for export and do not do domestic goods transfer. These are established with special permissions exclusion for export in specified zones and are inland for export incentive benefits. Bonded warehouses will be those that store only durable goods and goods once due paid will be kept strictly identified and move out within limited number of hours. This warehouse need customer correction premiums to operate and will be subject to customs checking. Special warehouses operated for specified listed high value goods has operated from time to time by the government and only by license. Provide space handling. Intermodal containers they cater to imports to handle materials that arrive in containers to and to quarantine the incoming goods for an all field till customer clearance is obtained and due paid. Then container depot is a bonded warehouse from imported goods away from sources and containers handler. It has procedure to stuff and destuff goods has required for partial debonding. Cold storage warehouses are large exclusive freezer area and a part of much needed food chains for handling vegetables, goods like fruits, vegetables, fish, egg, etc. The goods are expected to be kept in the range of 2 to 8 degrees all the time, keeping the products in healthy conditions all along. are exclusive to area where they are in water zones and utilize water transportations for movement around a inside area versus areas. The warehouses warehouses are built with waterfalls extending into the warehouse with build-up racks to load and unload goods. Open-yard warehouses are for large items that can be kept in the open. Manufactured cars, trucks, and buses, which later undergo changes, but of huge space are stored in open yard with yard management system.